In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a problem with your item on Wayfair. We all know that online shopping can sometimes come with its challenges, especially if the item you receive isn't quite what you expected. But don't worry, reporting a problem with your order on Wayfair is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To start, you'll need to navigate to the Wayfair website. This is the first essential step in resolving an issue with your order. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. Logging in ensures that Wayfair can access your order history, making the problem reporting process smooth. It's essential to have your login credentials handy for this step. Once you're logged in, the next step is to head over to the Accounts section. You'll find this option usually at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Accounts will present you with various options related to your account details and orders. From there, look for the My Orders section. This is where you can view all your past and current orders. It's like a personal archive of all the items you've purchased through Wayfair. Within My Orders, you will need to find the specific item you're having problems with. Once you have located the order in question, the next task is to click on the Report a Problem option. This will allow you to formally start the complaint process for the particular item. When you click Report a Problem, you'll be prompted to select the type of issue you're encountering. It could be that your item arrived damaged, had missing parts, was defective in some way, or perhaps you received the wrong item altogether. Selecting the correct problem type is crucial as it helps Wayfair understand your issue better and address it appropriately. Occasionally, Wayfair might ask you to upload photos of the item. If you're asked to do this, it's a good idea to take clear, well-lit photos that adequately show the problem. This helps verify your claim and can speed up the resolution process. Next, you'll be asked to choose your preferred solution. Depending on the issue, Wayfair commonly offers options like a replacement, refund, or parts. Select the option that best suits your needs. Finally, after you've provided all the necessary information and selected your preferred solution, it's time to submit your request. Once submitted, Wayfair will send you a confirmation email, acknowledging that they have received your report and are working on it. And there you have it. You've successfully reported a problem with your item on Wayfair. Always keep an eye on your email for any updates or further instructions from Wayfair. This process ensures that any issues are handled efficiently, getting you one step closer to a satisfying shopping experience.